So, right from the get-go, pinild agad ni Coach Aldrin Morante itong kanyang new player. Pero bago pa ba sa atin to?
Here from his time at Cebu, playing in the PBL, and then going into the PBA, playing for various teams. But, Coach, we were talking about this right before the game. You were...
And what will work for them?
They're coming off their very first loss of the season against the Manila Batang Sampaloc. That's good para kay Dennis Santos.
And nag-settle down na.
Santos completes the three-point play against Zamboanga. That was a tight one on opening day, 82-76. Then won their first victory of the season on their home floor against the Pangasinan Heatwaves.
The Zamboanga Master Sardines. Then you're -7 against the Quezon Huskers that we know for ang team niya right now. Kasi alam mo, ito mananalo to ng madami.
And for Valenzuela, they have no intention of missing out on the playoffs this year.
Oo. And we know with the addition of J.R. Quinyan in the lineup, parang mas lalo na yatang sumikip yung atin na North.
Close games. In fact, I'm gonna try to ask our stats chief, Jao Magno, later on, kung ano ang tally ng mga games decided by 11-10. Quinyahan from the outside, swishes it through. Welcome to the MPBL, Mr. J.R. Quinyahan.
And just like that.
What is now their lead. This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Two hands in your face. Why not? J.R. Quinyahan, welcome to the MPBL.
Oh, imagine this five playing right now.
Okay. In front of him, Santos from the outside. That's short. Bringas sees Pagyo. Dante Pagyo will go all the way for 2 plus the foul.
That's a foul on J.R. Quinyahan.
Ives Sazon, Jamil Gabawan, Mitchell Maines, and Robbie Darang coming in alongside. Working two-man game with Jamil Gabawan.
Good pass.
Big-to-big action. Acuno to Gabawan. First 2 points of the games, Maines. Mitchell stopped in his tracks by the Valenzuela defense. Sazon from the outside. He will not be denied.
No, once he got it was
in the MPBL. 23 points in that game against Manila. Payawal, hook shot is good.
Now, you know what? Pag-isip at mas loose na siya maglaro eh.
Maines somehow, some way gets that 2 points to go.
That guy as well.
23-18 are into the first quarter. Score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The 7-footer Greg Slaughter in June, and a lot of the other teams also stacking up in terms of their front line. Mitchell Maines, that's a guy coming from Pampanga. He scores there for Bataan.
Support Javi. You know, kasi si Kong Eric kasi, he was there. He was at help, so he was able to see yung kung ano yung talaga yung need for him.
Players, most of them homegrowns. This season, Congressman Eric Martinez, I'm sure he is already pleased with the opportunity that he gave the players from Valenzuela. But this
shooter na katulad ni Ives na will not think twice na if he's open, he's gonna take it, which gives these guys opportunity to shoot. And
then Batang Sampaloc really using a big third quarter to be able to secure that victory in their favor as J.R. Quinyahan converts on a fall-away jumper. He now has 9 points in this game.
Kind of love like that play designed by the Valenzuela Classic as the screener action, getting that ball kay J.R. Quinyahan at the post.
No play needed on the other side as Robbie Darang fakes out everybody from the Valenzuela defense. And on the flip side, Nem de la Cruz answering back with a 3-point shot. La Cruz definitely one of them.
And again, he knows his role already. He was able to establish what kind of game he wanted here in the MPBL.
For the Risers as well as Jeff Santos and RV Bringas.
This is a fresh new 5 again for the Risers.
Actually, yeah, that's correct. Even Alec Ramos is on the floor. Pasarel.
Sa pasarel eh.
De Chavez has not yet been able to connect from the outside until now. 1 out of 7 from the outside itong Bataan, while Valenzuela is now up to 4 3-point shots out of 12 attempts. Ron Lastimosa didn't take long for him to warm up after missing his first 3-ball. Doesn't use the Machon screen. Well, eventually does. Armenion from the elbow, the bounce. That's 2 points for Andre Armenion.
Yeah, soft touch there by Andre.
Castro goes inside. Dipsy-do is good, plus the foul for Astro Boy.
Oh, again, that's what you miss.
You know?
Oo. Kasi, again, numbers don't lie. Talagang, like this guy.
Dennis Santos has shown us he really razzled and dazzled on the floor. Bringas, matagal na natin nakikita yan. Drop step and the finish at the post. Basket plus the foul for RV Bringas. On MPTV channel 98 on Signal, satellite channel 53 on the Pilipinas Live app, Facebook and YouTube. RV Bringas back-to-back hits right there for Bataan.
Oh, I think
Few feet away from 3, missing from the outside. Offensive rebound for Alec Ramos. Santos, the stretch and score.
yeah, actually among the 5 playing right now, si Alex Ramos na lang ang hindi nakakascore.
But Dennis Santos has been scoring a lot here in the first half para dito sa Valenzuela. 49-42 is the count. Our halftime score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending. Steal completed by Jer Kenyan. Santos is off to the races for 2.
MPBL. I think parang si JR sanay na maglaro sa style natin dito eh.
Ryan Trazona, who has not seen action this whole year, getting his first basket. Anliguez orchestrating here for Valenzuela. He stripped. Minus picks it up. Baguio once again in the open floor. Basket and 1 for Dante Baguio.
Again, that's where you get most out of Dante Baguio. Eh, ang gusto ko dito kay Trazano ay yung hustle niya eh.
Here he is once again. 3-point play opportunity for Ryan Trazona.
Again, that's what energy brings you.
Offensive rebound for CJ. Trazona, that slow stroke for 3. That's his second of the game. 8 puntos na. Santos, the spin. Almost stripped by Gabawan. Trazona, can this be number 3? Yes, sir! 3 points once again for Ryan Trazona.
Doks kasi yung shot, yung tira ni Trazona eh.
Yun na nga eh.
Hindi katulad niya, no?
A really conventional stroke, but Dante Baguio makes good on the putback.
Style of game.
Kinyahan gets it to Santos. Pass a little bit behind, but Santos still able to find a way to get that ball into the basket.
Running game. As much as the Risers respect the outside offense of Valenzuela, gusto nilang ituloy yung magandang depensa nila sa loob. Lastly, just like what you guys noticed, mabilis nga ang palitan ng players dito sa Bataan team. And upon confirming with Coach Woody Ilagan, match with each other at to know who will step up in this game. Equal opportunity nga para sa Risers. Javi and Coach Louie.
Thank you so much. But
Start sa ating season right now.
let's check that. Orin Katakutan, though, was not checked by the defense. Gets 2 points alone inside the paint. Earlier, how Valenzuela was actually playing slow in the first half. That's not the case anymore here in the second half. But James Castro trying to cut into that lead. Had a good line, but that one was short. Darang all the way to the cup for 2.
Siguro ayun lang yung isang magbebet.
Corner, no good. This is gonna be an easy basket for James Castro. Last shot time for Valenzuela. 14 seconds left. Katakutan would like to go in, and he does. The spin and the finish for Orin Katakutan.
With that, may flex pang kasama no?
Katakutan, I've always known him to be a silent guy, soft-spoken. 67-66, end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. On your screens, Valenzuela with back-to-back 24-point quarters. Dem de la Cruz gets 3 points more to his name.
Oh, you know, he has the
Lead 69-67. Katakutan now on the break. Katakutan will score.
Yeah, that's where you need him. Pero, you know, every time that...
Back-to-back 3-point plays for Orange Katakutan. Bridging. Pero kitang-kita naman sa replay na talagang gumalaw yung katawan nila.
Oh.
Santos, look out. That is Santos. 2 hands for safety. On to Jamil Gabao and steal from behind by Katakutan. He has Santos on the right, De La Cruz on the left. De La Cruz will score.
Does this... Ito, pag bumawi, pinapabayaan na lang ng refs natin yan.
Baguio has been stellar all ball game long for Bataan and continues to be.
Yung offense ng Risers is getting nowhere. Alam mo yun, nakaka-shoot sila dahil sa nakaka-stop sila. Pero if you talk about pa kasing ibibigay mo eh.
Orit Katakutan, the up and under, 2 points more for the former UE Red Warrior.
The 16 years of playing, sabi niya, he wasn't like this back then. He used to make a lot of bad and hasty decisions too. Pero yan daw siguro ang lamang ng experience. You grow, you mature, you learn to see things with a better view.
Chance for that jam. Lead down to just 9 here for Valenzuela. And then is Santos on the other side with 2 more hands for at the start of the season. Take a look at this. Dorado finding Dante Baguio on that slot cut. 2 hands for safety. Pero sa kabilang panig naman, Dennis Santos also rising and jamming it in.
Yeah, back-to-back highlight in the 40s. So mataas yan.
A lot of contact on that layup attempt by Trazona, but no foul was called on the other side. Dorado. Gabawan trying to go backdoor to Mitchell. Minus able to get the reverse.
Oo. Hindi mo na kailangan i-question. Maganda yung chance silang manalo.
A steal by Bataan. Octubre in trouble though. Santos comes up with it. Then is Santos, one fake at the basket right there. Costly turnover right there para sa Bataan. Baguio will try to answer. Three-pointer down the drain for Dante Baguio. 85-81. Already has. But unable to sink a free throw. Right there was Orit Katakutan. Dante Baguio. The basket will count plus the foul.
I told you, he's unconscious.
Venezuela, Armenion past the trap. Armenion gets fouled by Chris Dorado. Definitely was a lot of contact on that swipe. I don't think there was any need.
Yeah,
2 for 2 for Andre Armenion. 89-84. This game practically in the bag para sa Valenzuela, but Rafi Octubre wanting to say something about it.
No, that's a reserve timeout. So
Enliguez seals the deal. That's gonna be it. Valenzuela bouncing back from a tough loss against the Quezon Huskers in Palayan City. In these two squads, playoff level basketball and intensity.
oh, well played for both teams. Again, not giving up. And this is what MPBL is all about. It's all as us, again, the rebirth of, witnessing the rebirth of Dante Baguio. And again, the basketball quality nito ni Dennis Santos.
Dem de la Cruz score 91-87 here for Valenzuela against Bataan. Our final score brought to you by GameX, the official